We're just pulling into Cologne, Germany. Isn't that beautiful? There's a cathedral, obviously. And there are a lot of riverboats. The excursion we took in Cologne was called a historic city crowned by Northern Europe's largest cathedral. What a gorgeous cathedral it is. We walked through the old town, and then we visited the cathedral, and on our own, my sister and I did a little miniature train ride. It is adorable. Join us. Actually older than Cologne Cathedral, Great St. Martin Church is a Romanesque Catholic church. Its foundations rest on the remnants of a Roman chapel. William I. Many, if not all, of the buildings you see were replaced after the World War II. This was the Red Light District with the Catholic Church at the bottom of it. The stumbling stone commemorates someone who died in the Nazi concentration camps and where they lived. It's another brewhouse. The Ostermann Fountain, completed in 1939, stands in Ostermannplatz Square in Cologne's Old Town. The figures depicted on the fountain are references to songs of Cologne lyricist and singer Will Ostermann. That is the City Hall. And there's a wedding going on right now. Old historical town hall. Cologne's historic town hall has over 800 years of history. And with 124 sculptures, it is a gorgeous building.
Language, the Kalledrisser, and literally translated that means the gutter shit. So, and he is perfect. Then the Caesar of Rome. Yeah, his name was Claudius. Yeah? So, Claudius was at the same time as her uncle, and even at this time.
And this building is amazing because it's a chocolate place. Peter's Brewhaus. There are brewhouses everywhere. And this is Roman. And that's part of the Roman city wall. So there's a Roman fountain, a Roman city wall, and then a walkway. And then there's the Roman Museum. The most famous building in Cologne is the Gothic masterpiece, Cologne Cathedral. It took 300 years to build half of it. The foundation stone was laid in 1248, and it was finished in 1880. It was declared a World Heritage Site in 1996. It is a major tourist and pilgrimage site, drawing thousands of visitors daily. The decoration and architecture is gorgeous. On the very top of the spire is the Star of Bethlehem. Inside there are artistic treasures, beautiful stained glass, and the Shrine of the Three Kings, which is said to contain the remains of the three wise men. This relic is what makes it a significant pilgrimage site. It is Germany's most visited landmark. And this is the front where the entrance is. Look at all the statues. This is called the Bummelbaum, I think. There's something close to it. It's an express, and we can get close to where our ship is moored. That was the train station.
Zu bestimmten Anlässen kann man den dumpfen Klang der weltweiten auf den seit 2018 im Bau befindlichen Kulturpfad mitten im Herzen der Stadt, der Via Culturalis. Auf einer Strecke von rund 800 Metern
part of the city that we are called Turalis, which has been under visited museums in Germany. Was already in the past the seat of the Roman governor. In in the center of the square, a fountain commemorates the victorious equestrian.
Ein Traditionscode zum festen Bestandteil des Festkomitees des Kölner Karnevals.
The rota had been emerged from the then existing city soldiers, which stood for the security and defense of the Cologne city population.
Auf mehreren Markierungen in der Altstadt können Sie sich den Wasserstab aus der Zeit einmal anschauen.
Every now and then, the old father takes a trip out of his bed and floats among the
Seite und wurde am 7. November 1959 in Anwesenheit von Bundeskanzler von als ein Sendkasten für den Bau des Brückenpfeilers in Schieflage geriet, wurden hier mindestens 5 Arbeiter tödlich verletzt. Einer der Arbeiter wurde nie gefunden.
The building was built in 1889 and has been one of the most beautiful testimonies of Cologne's economic and architectural history ever since.
Da es weltweit einzigartig ist. Mit seinen rund 600.000 Besuchern jährlich zählt es zu den meistbesuchten Museen Kölns.
The most visited museums in Cologne.